always faced my fear. The breaking voice is crystal clear.